All right, let's go over practice exam 1, number 3. All right, so what we want to do here is to sketch the graph of this piecewise defined function. All right, so we just have to do it one by one. So look at the top piece, right? So top one, so equation is basically y is equal to x plus 1, right? So you can see that this is just it's going to be a line and a slope is 1, right? So this is our slope. So I'm going to call it m. And y-intercept is 1. All right. So if you want to draw that graph, it's going to start from 1. So this is going to be y-intercept is 1. Then you have a slope 1. So as you go to the right 1 units, it's going to go up 1 units. So the line should look somewhat like that, and it's going to extend this way too. Oops. Right? So it's not so straight. All right, but we can keep this graph as long as x is less than or equal to 2. All right, pay attention that there's an equal sign. So you can see that here's x equals 2. So you're going to go up, and you can keep this point because of the equality, but it has to be less than or equal to that. So you can take the left half of this line. All right, then look at the second one. You can see that the equation is basically y equals, I'm going to reorder it, so negative 2x plus 5, right? So you can see that the slope is negative 2, and y-intercept is 5, right? So you can see that 5 is up here, and the slope is negative 2, which means that as you go to the right 1 unit, you're going to go down 2 units since its slope is negative. So it's going to look like this. So it's going to go down 2 units and go down 2 units here, go down 2 units here, right? Go down 2 units there. All right, so you can see that we can only keep this graph when x is greater than 2. So if we go to 2 and we cannot include that point, so you have to put an open circle there, right? Then we can keep only to the right of that circle. So you have, since x has to be greater than 2, so you can keep this half of the line. Right? That's how we get the graph of the piecewise defined function. I hope that this was clear.